Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. It seems like we're here still in this ABC structure to the downside of a wave 2 that might extend a little lower still. So I still haven't got enough confidence to say that the overall correction is finished. We might want to add a trend line here that could give us an additional confirmation that the downtrend is over. I would add this dashed line here. If we break above that, especially in an impulsive fashion, it would signal that the next wave up has started, because it can finish basically at any time, even though I assume it will go down a little lower. So at the moment, it's just a sort of signal level I would apply to the chart, because we have 3 touch points here, as you can see, for this trend line, and we're coming down lower. So, but it seems like we are sort of following that. It could even be that this is a price channel which is being followed. That might even be a little bit more accurate, more or less, yeah. So you have a price channel here, and as soon as we break out of this corrective price channel to the upside, it might indicate here a shift in trend. So, however, until then, I assume we are heading down further. And if I zoom in, by the way, we currently assume that this A wave finished, yeah, the B wave as a triangle. We're now in the C wave to the downside, heading further into the support area down there for this wave 2, which is sitting, I need to go to the 4-hour chart, between 78.14 and 56.40. So 78.14 would be the next level to watch, and then 69.17, which is the golden ratio. Now, if I zoom in and again go back to the 1-hour chart, then we can see that this B wave obviously topped here. We talked about that around $94. We came down in a potential 5-wave move in a wave 1. And I'm looking, or have been looking, for a potential start of this C wave of the wave 2, because this looks like some kind of a corrective flat structure on the lower time frame here. A flat structure is a 3-wave move, a sideways correction. A wave, B wave can overshoot to the downside, and now we could have started the C wave. That doesn't need to go all the way up here. It could be a short C wave, but it seems like we're working on this pattern at the moment, and it is technically valid as long as we don't break above 91.58. So short term, it could squiggle higher. We've got micro resistance here around 83.40. And if a break above that occurs, by the way, it's actually the wave A high, which is here relevant actually. And we talk about 83.80. So a break above that level would confirm the C wave, but it could become a short one. So first level to watch would be 85.90, which is the 38.2 FIB retracement. But if it goes a bit more aggressively, then because we're dealing here with this price channel, I would not be surprised if it reaches the trend line of the channel, yeah, and then from there heads down further in a 3rd wave, and it might turn into a diagonal structure. Wouldn't be surprised. Okay, if it's a WXY, then let me just think actually, if this is a X, Y, A, B, C. Yeah, then, I mean, we would have the low in here then likely, right? If it's a WXY, because it could be W, X, Y, because this would be the A, B, C. Because the resistance area would be the same for a potential B wave. A, B, C of wave Y. And the target here would likely also be the same. It's just that we wouldn't get a wave 4 and a wave 5. So it's just something else to mention, because cryptos oftentimes produce WXY structures, but the ABC structure is still the more common one. So we naturally track this first until price proves that something different is going on. But yeah, I would pay attention to that trend line and price channel here at the moment, and would be watching for a potential small rally in a C wave of wave 2. Currently assumed that we will go higher in this C wave as long as we stay above 79.46. That would be the invalidation point. Yeah, that's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.